Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a collaborator to your post on Instagram after posting it. So basically, if you want to make a post on Instagram and add a collaborator, you just hit that plus button right here and select the second option, post. And right here you just select your photo that you want to add, hit next, and right here, as you can see, you can tag people and invite collaborator, and here you just search for that person and you can send invite. But let's say you are already made that post and you forgot to add the collaborator. Here's what you have to do, or what you can do is just go to that post, hit that icon with the three dots right here and hit edit. So right now what you have to do is just hit this option with the plus right here, tag, and you can select tag people, and you can add that person that you want to add to your post. The second thing you can do is to ask that person to share your post on Instagram. So you can just message them and say, hello, please share this photo because I forgot to tag you. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.